How to get Chick-fil-A promo code. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. In the source bar, search for Chick-fil-A promo code. Tons of different sites will be visible to you. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more. Let me move into this one for now. Once you're in the official site of promo code, in here, tons of different offers and discounts will be visible to you. Choose any of the specific one in order to get the promo code. All you gotta do is click on it. Once it has been loaded at the very top, you'll be able to see the promo code. Simply copy this promo code. Likewise, you can move into any other offers and then click on this promo code. Once you have copied this promo code, simply move into the application Chick-fil-A and then paste this promo code in the section where you are asked to. If the promo code is valid enough, then you'll be receiving certain amount of discount and offers, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.